Hi, my name is Stephanie Short. I don't have my physical student ID card, but my ID number is 105-727-200. This is my presentation on the Vortex machine and Solitone machine for skincare 2. So to begin, we're going to use Vortex to wipe everything down. You can also use alcohol, but we're going to wipe down everything that somebody prior could have possibly touched. So I'm wiping down the front of the machine, I'm wiping down anywhere the buttons are, down the sides. I'm also going to move to the back, spray a little bit more on there first, but move to the back. I'm going to wipe down the power button and as well as the hand piece. So next I'm going to turn the machine on. The power is located at the back. Now that the machine's on, we can set the time and the intensity. So here on the left, we have how much time you want the machine to run for. So you can adjust that going up by 5 increments. And on the right hand side, we have the intensity from 20 to 100 going up by 2 increments. So now I'm going to turn it on with a little power button in the middle. Obviously, with a real person, you would stretch out the skin. I cannot do that here, but basically with the head, you're going to want to brush and brush off in very slow movements. You don't want to press down too hard because you don't want to bruise the client's skin. Once you are finished, to turn the machine off, you just hit that little power button again, put your hand tool back in its slot, and turn the power button off. Once you're finished everything, you're going to want to wipe it down just like before. Wipe down anything that you've touched with the same solution. So any of the buttons, the front, the sides, the handpiece, as well as the power button at the very back. Okay, so moving on to the Solitone machine, much like the Vortex, we're going to spray this with the Vortex, or you can use alcohol, and we're just going to disinfect the whole front, anywhere where another esthetician might have touched. So the buttons, the sides, anywhere that you might put your hands on.
Yes, you guys have done this one. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this machine on the side is the actual facial light machine. So as you can see, that button there says Luma Facial. You just press it, hit the Lumi selection. You'll see all the different selections. There's Acne 1, Acne 2, etc. Here I'm clicking Acne 1 and turning on the light. You will also notice in the center column, it shows the color choices as well. Here's a zoomed in version since it is a little difficult to see. So hit the Lumi Facial. I'm going to press the Acne 1 option. And then you'll see in the middle color column there, it shows what colors it'll project. And there you see mostly violet. Okay, moving on to this machine. This is for more targeted areas. As you can see, the hand pieces down below. Right now I'm making the ultrasound selection, so that middle piece in the bottom there. I will zoom in a little bit just to show you kind of better, but that is the ultrasound tip piece. You just hit the power button and it turns it on. Okay, so here I'm selecting face and neck. You can see that you can choose 3 options. I'm going down to smoothing, and then right over it shows you the length of time, and then I'm going to hit power on to start that. So same thing as the Vortex. Once we're done, we're going to turn it off. The off switch is at the back bottom by the black cord. Spray with the Vortex and wipe down any surfaces that you might have touched. I forgot to record it, but you are also supposed to wipe down the handpiece as well. And same thing goes over here for this LED attachment. You're going to wipe down any surfaces that you've touched. Not only do you want to wipe off these top pieces, but you also want to get the back, the power button that you touched. That is my video on how to use the Vortex as well as the Solitone machine. Thank you for watching and have a great day.